You know, I woke up this morning feeling blessed. Very fortunate. Today is the 1st of 2021. I know this video isn't coming out on the 1st of 2021, but with all the crap we've dealt with this year, I just woke up today feeling like so fortunate to be able to live the life that I live and have the friends I have and have the health that I have and my family. I don't know, man. It was a tough year for sure, but I feel really good about the work that I put in 2020 and what's about to happen in 2021. I'm just grateful to have been able to survive 2020 and with everything that happened and how rough some people really had it. I don't know, man. Just woke up this morning feeling pretty blessed, pretty fortunate, and very grateful. I just wanted to kick this video off wishing you guys a happy new year. And you know, it's never too late to start anything. I know sometimes larger tasks and larger goals can feel mammoth. They can feel really, really big and hard to accomplish. It just starts with taking that first step forward. You have to think short term in order to accomplish long term. What I mean by that is sometimes, you know, you need to set 1-day goals, 2-day goals, 10-day goals, month-long goals before you can accomplish 1 year, 2 year, 10-year goals. So I just want to wish you guys a happy new year and thank you so much for the support and everything, man. It's been a wild, wild journey, and 2020 was a big, big year for, I think, me and a lot of people. But that is not what today's video is about, you guys. Today, oh man, today's a good day. Today, you guys, well, my exhaust showed up yesterday. When I was talking to Valvetronic, you know, I do all my exhaust systems with Valvetronic designs, and there's a reason for that. One, I really, really enjoy them as a company and the people that are behind the company. The owner is a really good friend of mine. I just enjoy the way that they do business and the way that they market their company and the quality of the products and their customer service, man. Like, I love companies like that. I usually don't work with really big companies. I work with smaller companies, and there's a reason for that. Valvetronic has done every exhaust system on every car that I've owned except for the F30. I unfortunately wasn't introduced to them when I had the F30, but they worked on every other car, and I love their systems. Everything about having a Valvetronic exhaust system is just incredible. You know, some people just say, well, use the stock valves. The problem with that is you're not getting the sport mode throttle response and speed by having a stock valve system, because you have to change it into comfort mode in order to close that valve. You guys get the point. So me personally, I like having a super rowdy, loud car sometimes, and I like having a very domestic and quiet car sometimes. So that's really why I go with Valvetronic, and you know, I just really like the styling of their exhaust systems. I think that they make really cool like exhaust tips, and the fabrication is really clean and well done, and they do a lot of good research. I think for the price, you can't beat their exhaust systems, and that's just my personal opinion, and I only talk about the things that I've experienced, and I've experienced a lot of their exhaust systems, and I stand by them. I think they're really good products for the amount that you pay. So let's talk a little bit about what we did on this particular exhaust system. You guys, I am hyped. This car sounds really good with just a downpipe. Like, you really don't need to do much to this car to make it sound good. I prefer to have an aftermarket exhaust system. That's just how I roll. I like the car to be, like I said before, really rowdy and loud sometimes, really quiet and reserved sometimes. That's the benefit of having a true valved exhaust system. I also like the way that aesthetically that an aftermarket exhaust system looks, with the mufflers below the car, shiny, things like that. When the valves are open on this setup, I will be straight piped all the way through, no resonation whatsoever. And then when the valves are closed, I'll be utilizing the Valvetronic muffler in the back. So when Valvetronic and I started talking about what we were gonna do on the Supra, we knew that we had to do something big, something different, just something dope. And I think we did it. Took a little bit of time for us to make this one, but we wanted this one to be really good. Told you. Sounds really good. Current setup on the car right now is the Valvetronic Designs catless downpipe. all I have. Then it's just factory all the way back. I mean, it's really not a bad exhaust stock, but like I said before, you know, I like to have that controllability. When I want it really loud, I want it really loud, and I want it really quiet, I want it really quiet without sacrificing that sport mode throttle response. So, and also I think you guys are just gonna like the way that this new one looks. It's going to look sick. I am heading to Atlanta, and I will be at Caffeine and Octane on Sunday, and then I am also doing a couple of feature films while I'm down in Atlanta. I'm going one day early to film a couple of cars. As cool as it is to modify my car and bring you guys along for that journey, I really enjoy showing other people's builds and being able to tell their stories and really just have like a platform for them to share those stories in those cars. And it's honestly like my favorite part about doing what I do is being able to go meet new people, put faces to builds, and share those stories. So, with that being said, the drive there is about 3.5 hours, so I need to bring pretty much all of my car washing essentials, and I'm gonna have to get the car prepped and ready the night before the show. The show's really early, so I think this is what the lineup's gonna be. I got variant wheel cleaner. Stuff is pretty solid. Some interior detailer. However, I don't even know if I'm gonna clean the interior. A little bit of detail spray. This clean condition coat is just nice if you're doing like a quick waterless wash type of deal. VRP, vinyl rubber plastic, acts well for like a tire shine, and then ceramic shampoo. And then I'll use some of this ceramic detailer if I want to. So that's what I'm gonna bring with me. Obviously I have a bunch of rags. This case is the shit. It's weighted. You put it in the back so it never falls over, holds all your detail stuff. Obviously got a bunch of new rags in there. And then I will bring my dryer. I'm gonna have to find a self-serve wash bay while I'm there. Also bringing a couple of camera mounts, and then I'll tuck in all the bottles right here. So there we go. Got everything lined up in there. I love this bag, man. This bag's so sick. I got it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Yeah, it's perfect. So like I said, it's weighted, and you just throw it in the back of the car, never flips over, holds all your detail stuff. All right, so the exhaust is still inside in the box. Haven't touched it, haven't even looked at it. So you guys are gonna witness this firsthand with me. I haven't seen anything yet. Let's head inside, unbox it, and take a look. It's been a while since you've been on the show. What are you doing? What are you doing? How are you? Yeah. All right, man. Let's open this baddie up. Oh, dude. You already know. We went gold. Bro, the moment I saw this, oh my God, dude. Black and gold, you guys. Like, this combo is going to be stupid sick. I think this is one of the tips right here. Oh my God, dude. Oh, these are so sick. Bro. Holy shit, bro. Dude, I'm freaking out. This is like way too nice for me. I can't have nice things like this. All right, I'm gonna open this up. This is freaking beautiful, dude. It's single walled, massive tip. So when I was talking to Valvetronic and we were making this exhaust, I wanted it like really, really simple and clean. And gold obviously is just gonna be insane. It's going to change colors as well when it gets hot. But dude, the gold with the black on the back of this car is going to look stupid good. These are beautiful. You really can't tell on camera like how large these are. Bruh. Fist with room. Oh, bro, it's pretty big, huh? You put your whole head in it. It's a bob hat. A bob hat for a bobcat. Yeah, these are fucking dope. Holy shit. I'm gonna lay out the entire exhaust system in here so you guys can see it. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Dude, this thing is it's a work of art. This is just straight up artwork right here. Valvetronic design, special ops, gold tips. The entire thing is gold. Bro, this thing is going to look insane on the black Supra. So we're doing the install on this next week, but I did just want to make this video to show you guys the unboxing of it, show you everything that comes with the exhaust and what it looks like and like my reaction. It's amazing, man. Like this exhaust is just absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. I know people are gonna ask, so I'm just gonna say it. People are gonna ask why there are bends here. This is for the diff. These bends are to go around the differential in the back. But dude, this thing looks unbelievable. It's got the Valvetronic stamps. Yeah, man. This exhaust looks really good. I'm so hyped to get this on. Oh my God. I'm so glad that we decided to do gold. It's such a bold statement. You can't really see it because I have it flipped upside down right now, but even on the valves, it says Valvetronic Designs. There's like a VD on it. The attention to detail on these exhausts, man, it's just so sick. It comes with this crazy looking remote, which is super dope. I always like to connect these remotes to my garage openers in my car. So I just control it with that, open and closed with the 2 buttons. Here's the actual box that has the electronics for the opening and closing of the valves. These valves are open and closed by vacuum lines, so that's kind of how this works. It's a vacuum design. On the E90, it had electronics in it, but I think that this is just a better way to go with the vacuum. It takes a little bit, like a slight second longer to open, but it's much more reliable than having the electronics. And then you have this right here, so you could just like plug it into a cigarette lighter. We always end up cutting this and splicing it into a power source rather than just plugging it in, because not really the cleanest way to do it if you just plug it into a cigarette lighter. But you do have the option to do that if you want it to be easy. Other than that, that's everything that comes with it. Yeah, man, I mean, the cool thing about this is like you can do custom tips. You can do like forged carbon fiber, normal carbon fiber, thin walled, bunch of cool designs. Valvetronic is really flexible with that kind of stuff. I feel like with a lot of exhaust companies, it's just kind of what you see is what you get. With them, you can kind of go crazy and customize. And that's why I really like building these exhausts with them, because it's always like, okay, what do we do next? It's just more exciting when I have a chance to actually like be a part of the design and like throw my 2 cents in there and kind of see it come to life. You guys might have seen that Finding Nick on YouTube. Nick also on his GTR got a gold exhaust. So that was kind of where this all stemmed from. I wanted to do the gold. He has a black car. It looks really good on the black car. However, he doesn't have the thin walled tips. And I think the thin walled tips make a really, really big impact. They're just so clean and so sick looking. And I love how it has like the minimal Valvetronic design on it, logo. It just looks so good, man. Like this, I'm telling you guys, this gold on a black car, like all murdered out, and then wait till you see what I do to tie this gold in with the rest of the car. This is going to be baller. It's gonna look so good. And then when these pipes heat up, they change colors. Like they'll go purple and blue in some sections. It's going to be so dope. So when you put it up on the lift, you're gonna have one of the sickest looking underbodies. So I'm really looking forward to hearing this and getting it installed. We're gonna go over to Dynamic and just have them do it. Shouldn't take too long. We've installed quite a few Valvetronic design exhaust systems, so we kind of know the workflow with them. It's always an easy process, and oh my God, you guys, I'm so hyped, dude. I'm so hyped. Oh man. It took a while for us to like build this and finally get it here. And finally, oh, it's here, man. I'm so, so excited. All right, so you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for when we install this, but I'm really, really excited, man. I can't wait to hear it. Like, it looks so good, but I also know that it's going to sound like an absolute monster. The B58 and the Supra already sound so crazy with the Valvetronic downpipe, but paired with this, bro, we're about to have Karens shitting their pants when they hear this car. Oh, dude, I'm so hyped. Anyways, guys, huge shout out to Valvetronic. If you're interested in any of their products, I'm gonna link them down below. They have so many different exhaust systems. I ran them on my E90. They make them for the F30 and a ton of different designs for different cars, Nissan GTRs, the M2, I had it on the M2 as well. Just such a dope design. And being able to control those valves open and close with a remote is like so big, so big. I can't tell you how many times I'm driving and I just like having that easeability of closing and opening those valves whenever I want at the touch of a button. Especially when you connect that valve remote to your garage door openers. It's like the car came with that exhaust system. It's so dope. Anyways, like I said, you guys, I'll have their information linked down below. Huge, massive shout out and thank you to Valvetronic Designs for making this happen. Austin, you are a legend. It took a little bit of time for us to get it done, but I think it was well worth the wait. We'll go ahead and get this installed next week. Look forward to that video. It's going to be wild. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, hit that bell notification, and just like that, this video's over, and we're out. Peace.
With courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we float. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor.